Welcome to the Metals Daily News brought to you by Metals Update, the driving force behind your business. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 7th of April 2017. All India Motor Congress to strike from midnight of 8th April to protest against 40% hike in the motor insurance. Strike is already on in the southern states since 30th of March. Thus, it will be nationwide strike. Companies have advised dealers to increase inventory. Offers of MS ingots in Indian local markets have increased in the range of 1 to 2% in trade today. Moving on to non-ferrous news, ICRA expects the deficit in the global aluminium market to widen further in calendar year 2017 as a result of up to almost 3 million metric tons of production cutbacks in China, post the imposition of a new air pollution control regime in Beijing. These guidelines would force alumina refineries and aluminium smelters in provinces around Beijing to cut output by 30% from the current levels in the winter months of November through March. On the other hand, the gap in the zinc market is expected to remain at the level of calendar year 2016, and the copper market is likely to remain more or less balanced in the calendar year 2017. Year to date, aluminium prices have increased by 15% with only lead coming a close second with gains of 13%. Returns in copper and zinc have been only 5% while that of nickel is a miserly 0.8%. Currently, aluminium prices traded on MCX was quoting at 124 rupees and 50 paise per kg, down by 1%. On LME prices were trading at $1,939 per ton, down by 0.69%. In the international markets, Chinese aluminium ingots and foil offers gained by $1 per ton. In the international markets, Chinese aluminium ingots and foil offers gained by $1 per ton. Aluminium ingots were offered at $2,009 per ton, while aluminium foil was being offered at $2,465 per ton. Metals Update has released the Indian Copper Outlook 2020-21 Copper Out of the Pit. The report contains all you need to know about the Indian copper market. Indian refined copper consumption, production and price forecast have been provided till the year 2020-21, and a one-time purchase gives you access to all the future updates in 2017. So hurry to book your copy now. Thank you for listening. Do join me again tomorrow for the latest updates from the metals market. Do visit metalsupdate.com for more information. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.